Good morning. I am Dr. Sathya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of in Technology. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, water pollution. So water pollution is the one of the most serious environmental issue today. So it's affecting both ecosystems and human health. It occurs when harmful substances such as chemicals, plastics, and sewage enter into the water bodies. So the polluted water is a disturber aquatic life and reduces some drinking water quality and spread diseases. So globally, the millions of people suffer from water borne because the borne illness of each year. For example, the Yamuna River in Delhi, it's a heavily polluted due to the industrial discharge and untreated the sewage. So the causes of water pollutions. So the causes of water pollution, industrial discharges and agriculture runoff and wastewater and sewage and plastic pollutions. So the industrial release the toxic chemicals and heavy metals into the rivers. So it will be contaminating both ecosystems and drinking water supplies. So agriculture adds to the problem through the fertilizers and pesticides, which are carried as the runoff into the lakes and rivers. So the improper plastic disposal results in ocean pollutions, the threatening marine life with suffocation and indigestion of plastics. So untreated the sewage introduce this harmful pathogens and causing the outbreaks of our waterborne diseases like cholera and it's a well-known example in Ganga River, which struggles with the industrial discharge and sewage pollutions in cleanup effect. So the effect of water pollutions, has devastating the impact on human health. It's leading to disease such as diarrhea, reproductive disorders, and neurological damage. The ecosystem suffers when pollutants reduce the biodiversity, killing fish and aquatic plant. The ecosystems are also the economical dependent on fishing, tourism, and recreation face heavy losses when water bodies are polluted. The climate change effect becomes very worse when polluted water lose their ability to adapt the rising temperatures and storms. So, for example, in shrinking of fish populations in the Kaveri River has hurt local fishermen's livelihoods. So the preventive measures, some advanced wastewater treatment facilities must be installed to treat the sewage and industrial waste before reaches the rivers. Strict government regulations should be enforced on industries and farming practices to minimize the pollutant. So public awareness is essential because citizens should avoid the plastic dumping on adapt to the water and saving the practices. So the sustainable farming methods such as organic farming and deep irrigation and reduce some chemical runoff into the rivers. For example, Kerala's the initiatives in promoting the organic farming have shown positive results in reducing the water contaminations. So the conclusion of water pollutions, addressing water pollution is requires strong laws and public participation and sustainable practices, and government must enforce the regulations and industries should adopt the cleaner technologies. So the communities and individuals can contribute by reducing waste, so in conserving water and spreading the awareness. So this is also important. And protecting water as resources ensure the healthy ecosystems and safe drinking water for future generations. For instance, the Singapore has become a global model by treating the wastewater and recycling into the nurture in sustainable use. So we have to avoid that pollution and sewage water and plastics. We can save our life and healthy environment. So thank you. Thank you, Anurag.